this video, we are learning about using the distributive property. So I've got an example written out for us here. The distributive property is a great way that we can multiply different things. It's something that I use anytime I am multiplying by a two-digit number, pretty much. I use the distributive property. So I've shown an example here where if we wanted to multiply 3 times 86, we know that 86 is equal to 80 plus 6, which is what I've written here. And then the distributive property just says that we could distribute this 3 that we are multiplying across both terms in parentheses. So 3 times 80 plus 3 times 6. And that's certainly much easier to solve mentally, right? 3 times 80 would be 240. 3 times 6 would be 18. And we could add 240 plus 18 to get 258. So that's a quick look at the distributive property. We can also use it to help us with algebraic expressions as well. So for example, if we had 4 times n plus 5, again, we can use that distributive property, distributing our 4 across both terms here. So 4 times n is 4n plus 4 times 5 is 20. So we could simplify this from 4 times n plus 5 to 4n plus 20. The next one, we have 12 times 12 times, in parentheses, 2y minus 3. So again, using this distributive property here, 12 times 2y, 12 times 2 is 24, so 12 times 2y is 24y, and 12 times 3 is 36, and we've got a subtraction here, so 24y minus 36. Okay, the next one, we have 1/2 times 6y minus 2z, so again, we will distribute this 1/2 across both terms, and we are subtracting again, so we'll include that subtraction. We have 1/2 times 6y. 1/2 times 6 is 3, so that's 3y. And 1/2 times 2z, 1/2 times 2 is 1, so that's 1z. And we can always write 1z as just z, because we know 1 times z is simply z. Next one, we have 9 multiplied by the sum of 6 and x and 2. So again, we'll distribute this 9 across all 3 terms here. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 9 times x, which is 9x, plus 9 times 2, which is 18.